yung isang ano ron, DE ron or assistant DE, mga sasakyan niya, um, supercars, no? May Lamborghini SBJ siya, that's about 60 million pesos. Ferrari SF90, nalaman na mga 50 million. Lamborghini Urus na 30 million. Mga Relonera, Richard Mille, no? Nakakaya naman kami dito, mga nakaseiko. Richard Mille, hindi bababa ng 8 million, ng 5 to 8 million ang isa. Yung mga pananamit. So, if you are working with a modest salary, it's impossible for you to be able to afford those luxurious items. Medyo sobra yun medyo malalayo. Dapat ma-lifestyle check doon. And I would recommend when we convene the Blue Ribbon to subpoena these officials, no? Para mag-explain na rin, no? How can they afford having a luxurious lifestyle with kung gano'n lang ang salary nila, magkano na bang talagang salary lang yung official. Ano pa, nagkakasino pa doon, no? As exposed by Senator Lacson, no? So I think it's about time, no, na kailangan na rin siguro magkaroon ng lifestyle.
Sir, gusto niyo ipasabihin na yung mga disabo, sir?
Yes, I think yung particular districts or areas that were identified by Senator Lacson, medyo notorious no? Yung sa Bulacan, yung sa 4B, yung sa Mindoro, na kung saan yung bulk ng mga ghost projects. Mukhang ano na to mukhang sindikato, no? It's a huge criminal syndicate that has to be looked into. Dapat talaga sa akin maimbestigahan, may ma-prosecute at may makulong kasi para hindi na ito hindi na tularan, no? At saka magtanda, no, yung iba.